Hey crafty friends, welcome to my channel, Create with Tina. I'm Tina and I teach scrapbooking, and I also design pre-cut kits that make your whole scrapbooking process faster, simpler, and easier. And so today I wanted to do a peek at one of those kits. And I do this because I know so many of you are juggling busy schedules, or you're crafting in a really small space, or you're heading out to retreats and crops, or you just don't have a lot of supplies and you still want to get your photos off your phone and into an album. And so I thought I would show you my kits because they really are perfect for grab and go scrapbooking. And so this is an example of a layout. This is actually the one I want to show you today. This is my Keeping Traditions, and actually it's called Traditions of Christmas scrapbook kit, and it is an 8-page scrapbook kit making 4 2-page 12 by 12 layouts. And before I talk too much about the kits, I wanted to show you that this is how the kits come when they arrive at your door. They are really truly grab and go. And I'm going to open this, but I'll do it over here because it's kind of loud. And I want to pull out everything and show you. So when you get a kit, you get a full 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and it's cardstock weight, and it's not glossy or shiny at all. So it's perfect for using dimensionals or any kind of foam dots to, when you add these to your page, to be able to create dimension without a lot of work. And then I also wanted to show you that each layout comes individually layered together with a little package of the smaller pieces, including any Cricut cut titles that are needed for your kit, which there are Cricut cut titles. Also, any die cuts, any gems. So that's just a quick peek to show you that these kits really are grab and go. But let's go into a little bit of a sneak peek time about my kits. So this is the Traditions of Christmas DSP from Stampin' Up! And sticker sheet, and I took that whole pack of paper and I chopped it all up, and I designed 8 pages for you guys, and I did it in a way that uses mostly 4x6, 4x4, or 3x4 photos, which are all pretty standard size, to make scrapbooking really easy. And so the first thing I want you guys to see is the gold foil that is in this DSP. It is beautiful. Isn't that so pretty? The poinsettia background, and it's even here on these little bouquets of flowers. And then of course this is part of my Cricut title. It looks like this, Memories, and this is a sticker sheet, Making Merry Memories. So this is one of the layouts. Here is another one that you can see, and one thing I want to point out here is that these I have die cut in the kit for all of you, the pieces right out of the DSP, so you're ready to put the layout together. No fussy cut needing. It is completely cut out using the die cuts, this piece as well. And then again, these are just some of the stickers that come on that sticker sheet. But isn't that beautiful? I just love these colors together. Look at this one. Again, another one of those die cuts that I have, as part of the pre-cut kit, I have cut all of these out for you so that they're ready to go. That is right out of the paper as well. And then another sticker title. Now this is another page, and again you'll see all of the die cut pieces coordinating with the stickers. And look at these pretty gold gems. They work so well with the gold foiling in the paper. And here's another one. The Christmas Tradition. So this 2-page layout, this I plan on putting probably the pictures of my kids doing the gingerbread houses. We do that every single year. Every year in my Christmas albums we have that, and so I always have a traditions page. and then the best time of the year. And another thing I want to point out, even in this pattern, look at that gold foil. Another thing I want to point out is that when I design my layouts, one of the things I like to do is make sure I use standard photos, standard sizes, so that you can add more photos to your page by simply adding flip flaps. And if you're not familiar with flip flaps, leave a comment below the video and I will be sure to answer it. And I should do a video about flip flaps, but basically they are these clear page protector style envelopes that you put on the outside of your page protector, and they come in 4x6, 4x4, 3x4, and they let you add more photos to a page. So right here you see this layout holds 3 photos, this particular page, but if you added 3 flip flaps, that would add 2, 4, 6 more areas for photos for a total of 9, and it would still keep the integrity of the pretty 2-page layout that you've made. And then here is a sneak peek of the last page, but I just want to show you all the little clustering that I do. So it is a great kit. Now I thought I would talk about some of the most common questions that I get. And the first is, are the pieces really pre-cut? Yep, they are pre-cut. Just like I showed you on this kit, they're pre-cut and they are bagged up and ready for you to assemble. Do you need special tools? You sometimes need a trimmer if I have you trim some of the stickers to shorter lengths. You need adhesive. That is a tool that you do need. And if you would like to add dimension to your layouts, like if you can see right here, all is calm, all is bright, and deck the halls. Those 2 stickers I've popped up. I used a little bit of dimensionals on there. That would be the special tool that you would need. How long does it take to assemble? It really depends on how quick of a scrapbooker you are, but because everything is pre-cut and already pre-designed and already separated, you can put this whole kit together in an hour or 2 when everything said and done. It just depends on how fast you work. And then can beginners do this? Absolutely, because you get an assembly guide with a big picture of the layout and a step-by-step instructions for both pages of the 2-page layout. So it's perfect for beginners, nothing fancy, no hard technique driven pieces that you have to do. And do the kits sell out? This is a question I get often, and certain kits sell out really fast and others last longer. This, I think, will be a kit that sells out fast, and that is because the product from Stampin' Up! Has sold out twice already. They can't seem to keep it in stock. I've tried to grab the supplies as they've come in stock to get an inventory of kits for you guys, but I am sure that this will be one of my kits that sells out faster than later. So, okay, so one last thing. Who are my kits perfect for? They are perfect for anyone who loves Christmas crafting, but you don't have the time to prep everything. It's really made for you. It's good for busy moms. It's good for weekend crafters. If you only have time on the weekends and you want to get something done, it's good for anyone working in your small space because like I showed you, it is really, you just grab the packet, one little packet and your trimmer, and you're good to go. It's also, that makes it ideal for taking to crops and retreats. A lot of my customers do that. They grab my kits and they go to crops and retreats and they leave with tons of pages done because they put them together and add their photos. So that is all I had for you today. If I'm also working on a winter kit with the Delicate Pines paper for early January. So if you want to see that or you just love scrapbooking inspiration, you'll definitely want to stick around, hit subscribe and follow, and then I will link below a link to my website if you want to see all the different kits I have designed. And if you just like looking at scrapbook kits, that's a great place to go and look around. And then I also have a sign up for my newsletter because even when I am slow at getting videos done, I'm faster at getting an email out to show you my newest creations. So thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll have more coming soon. So I hope to see you on my next video. Have a good day, you guys. Bye.